We guide you through how to turn on 2FA on Gmail so your account stays secure with an extra layer of protection. First thing you need to do is open web browser and sign in to your Google account. Then, go to Manage your Google account, click the Security tab, and look for two-step verification. Then, click Get Started. Follow the prompts to add a phone number or authentication app for verification code. Google will send a code via SMS, call, or an authenticator app, which you need to enter to confirm. Once enabled, every time you sign in to Gmail on a new device, you'll need both your password and verification code, making it much harder for hackers to access your account. You can also set up backup options like backup codes or secondary phones for extra security. Enabling 2FA is one of the most effective ways to protect your Gmail account from authorized access.